Okay, so my eyebrows are already done, and now I'm just taking a black gel eyeliner from Maybelline, and I'm gonna put that on the lid first. Once you lay down that eyeliner or any like black cream shadow, take a blending brush and blend out the harsh edges. As you will see, I'm gonna take a Real Techniques brush and start blending the edges out to make them more diffused. Next, take like any brown shadow that you have and start blending that in the crease, like on top of that black, and blend it upwards. I'm just taking some brown eyeshadow from my Morphe 39A palette. I'm just gonna blend it out until it gets like more diffused and soft. And after I get that brown shade blended how I want it, I'm gonna take the orange shade from that same palette I'm using and put that on top. You can take any orange shade you have, it doesn't have to be the same one that I have. You just take that, blend it on top, make sure it's diffused, and blend it well with the previous color. Now I'm just going to take some black eyeshadow from that palette and put that on top of the black eyeliner I used. I'm going to use that same black eyeshadow later on in the video to add to my bottom lash line. Sorry for this angle. I didn't know my phone wasn't positioned correctly, but now we're just moving to foundation. And the foundation I am using is the NARS Sheer Glow in the shade Tahoe. And I'm just going to use a Real Techniques brush and blend that all over my face. I'm gonna lay down my concealer, and I'm using the NARS Radiant Cream Concealer in the shade Biscuit. I'm gonna put that on my nose, forehead, chin, upper lip, and underneath my eyes. And then for contour, I'm using two Anastasia Beverly contour, foundation sticks, but they're in the color Cocoa, and I forget the other one, but I'll list it below in the description box. After I blended out that concealer and stuff, I setted my highlight areas with some Huda Beauty powder and the shade this banana or something like that. And then I'm just putting some contour powder on by Black Radiance. Then after that, I'm going to add some of Fenty's new bronzer. I had the shade I used down below. Sorry about the lighting. Lighting was messing up very bad in this video. So here I'm just contouring my nose with a smaller brush to get it more precise. set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. It's like my favorite setting spray ever. And then I add some highlight, which is the Anastasia's highlight, the Amrezy one. I'm gonna add it on my highlighted areas. You see. For the lips, this is like my favorite lip combo at the moment. This is like a lip liner I always use, which is MAC's Chestnut. I'm gonna line my lips a little, and then I'm gonna add MAC's Honey Love lipstick and like blend that together. And then on top, I'm gonna take a Bobbi Brown lip gloss on top, and I'll have the name of it in the description bar below. And the lashes I'm using is from my lash line I recently launched. China Doll's Hair Gallery. We sell virgin hair and eyelashes, and these are in the style Innocence. You can check out my business page, China Doll's Hair Gallery, on Instagram. I'll leave the link below. I'm just gonna add my lashes. Now will be the last step. Hope you guys like. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. And here's a little footage of it all put together with hair. Very pretty.